Most people are struggling with YouTube watch time. They upload videos, spend hours editing, and then nothing. Their 4,000 hours watch time seems impossible to reach.
Exactly. And it's frustrating because you know your content is good, but YouTube isn't rewarding you. Today, we're going to fix that. We'll show you how to get 4,000 watch time in just 24 hours, step by step, in real detail.
By the end of this video, you'll have a concrete strategy you can implement immediately to grow your channel faster.
So why are most people struggling?
The main reasons are simple. 1. Videos are too short. 2 to 3 minutes won't get you enough watch time. 2. No consistent upload schedule. YouTube favors channels that post regularly. 3. Low engagement. People aren't watching till the end, which kills your watch time.
And many creators don't optimize their video structure for watch time. They just record random content without thinking about how to hook viewers and keep them watching.
Exactly. That's why today we're going to give you a full blueprint from video planning to analytics.
The first step is choosing the right content. Not every video can get 4,000 watch time quickly.
Right. You want longer videos, ideally 10-20 minutes. Also, pick topics that are trending in your niche, highly searchable, and engaging enough for viewers to watch most of the video.
You can check trending topics using tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even YouTube search suggestions. Then, make sure your video promises a solution or delivers high value.
And don't forget storytelling. A story keeps people watching till the end, which is crucial for your watch time.
Next is video structure. If you want high watch time, you need a hook, main content, and retention strategy.
Exactly. Here's the breakdown. 1. Hook. 0 to 30 seconds. Tell viewers what they'll get and why they should stay. 2. Content. 30 seconds, 85% of video. Deliver value, teach, entertain, or solve a problem. 3. Retention tricks. Use cliffhangers, questions, or mini summaries to keep people watching.
Also, keep your pace dynamic. Add B-roll, text overlays, or animations. These visual cues reduce drop-off and make your video more engaging.
Even the best video won't reach 4,000 watch time in 24 hours without promotion.
Absolutely. Here's how to do it effectively. Share on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Telegram groups. Use email lists or Discord communities. Collaborate with other creators for cross-promotion.
Also, optimize your title, thumbnail, and description. These directly affect CTR, which in turn impacts watch time.
Another secret is using playlists. When viewers watch multiple videos in a row, your watch time accumulates faster.
Exactly. Create related videos and put them in a playlist. Encourage viewers to continue to the next video by saying things like, if you want to learn more, watch the next video in this playlist.
And don't forget end screens. They guide viewers to another video instead of leaving your channel.
Watch time isn't just about minutes. YouTube also looks at engagement signals.
Right, comments, likes, shares, and click-through on suggested videos all boost your watch time algorithmically.
Ask viewers questions, encourage comments, and even do polls. This keeps your audience active and engaged, increasing both watch time and channel growth.
Here are some bonus strategies to reach 4,000 watch time in just 24 hours. 1. Go live. Live streams often have higher watch time. Even 1 to 2 hours can give a huge boost. 2. Post long-form tutorials or guides. People love watching detailed content. 3. Collaborate with influencers. Share traffic between channels to get instant viewers. 4. Optimize upload timing. Post when your audience is most active.
And remember, consistency is key. Do this repeatedly and your watch time will snowball over time.
So that's it. A complete roadmap to get 4,000 watch time in 24 hours.
Remember, choose the right content, structure your videos for retention, promote like crazy, use playlists, and engage your audience.
Follow these steps and you'll see your watch time grow faster than ever. Don't forget, the key is value, engagement, and consistency.
If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another growth hack.
And comment below. Let us know which strategy you're going to try first to hit 4,000 watch time in just one day.